Yeah, so perfect day to build a watch.
Hey everybody. Well, yeah, you saw the weather outside, so we're building today. It's a perfect day to do that. Stay inside, stay warm. Forget about skiing. I know I'm a terrible Canadian. I hate the winter. Anyhow, check this out. It's a Seiko SRPH09. It's the Seiko one-piece robin dial. That is fan-freaking tabulous. So, gonna try this again. Try and build the wife a watch. Third time's a charm, right? Let's do this. Let's back you up so you can see a bit better. That's better. Alright, well today we're starting with an NH36 at 3 o'clock because the case. Now we gotta see if the how the feets are lining up today. How are the feets lining up? I bet you they're going to be lined up for 3.8 case because this watch is actually in like a Seiko 5 case. So how much you want to bet? We're not, yeah, we're not lined up in the right place at all, son. Alrighty, let's snip some dial feets. Let's get ourselves. I don't want to really put this on there, so I'm going to have a clean piece of plastic. Clean piece of plastic. And we're going to snap these off. Now, 3 o'clock. So I know I'm lining up for the stem. The only thing I really made sure to do is that make sure your dial dots are not interfering with your date wheel. Because after you do it, you're going to have issues. So, let's get this dial on. Perfect. First time. We're looking for the 14th. I'm going to set this on here like so. On one side. The only thing I really need to line up is the date and the pinion. There. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's set some hands, shall we? All right. So, I'm hoping the tip of that minute hand, really hoping I don't need to snip it. I just might, because look at that, it's right to the very edge. And most dials have, they sit in just that tiny bit, so we shall see. But we'll find out PDQ, and then we'll cut our stem. No point doing it first. Well, we need to get it in the case so we know where to cut our stem. So it makes no dang difference. Gotta do it this way. Let's see. You might get lucky, you never know. You know what? Shoot. I think we might have got lucky. Let's just see. Let's get this all the ways in there. Oh, bada bing. Bada bing. He's in the right place, it looks like. Oh, no. I don't know if you can see it. Take a look. See right there? Yep. Gonna have to take just a nibble off of that. Well, let's get it the heck out of there before we do any damage to it. Yeah, it is. Now, just so you know, check it out. All I did was I took some nail clippers and just snip, took the tip off that. You'd never even notice, would you? I mean, not even with the loop do you notice it's gone. So, we looking good. Now, let's get stem sized. We're looking pretty dang good so far. Now, let's see how we do today. Place your bets, ladies and gents. I'm gonna say we don't need a whole heck of a lot. However, yeah, we'll go there. See, right there. Give myself that much and probably have to nibble a little off. So I did cut it too short. Hey, shit happens. That's why keep a little container with a bunch of extras that you mess up. Because you never know when you go back and try, and one of them is exactly the right length for what you need. We'll grab our gasket for the case back. Get rid of this. Get this son of a gun seated. Like such. Quick. Make sure there's nothing there. And in the case back. Okay, now let's get the bracelet on this guy.
Well, here it is, the finished product. I've already seen it, or sorry, she's already seen it. She's given her thumbs up. She likes it. I'm not surprised. That's a gorgeous dial. I love this dial. Love the color. I like these hands. I even like the mermaid cruising around the lotus. I think that looks pretty cool. Well, guys, just a quick one. This was one for the ladies, one for the wife. She better like this one, or she gets... I'll make her one out of like twist ties next time. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Cheers.